Hi, this is Emilee of Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm here with the Grabie August Scrapbook Club box. Its theme is called The Secret Tea Break. Inside is a description. And then I have undone this, but I have not explored it yet. Look at all the wonderful things here. They always include the Grabie sticker. We have some really cute colored pencils, and it even has a pencil sharpener on the top. We have 6 ink pads, and I love to stamp. We have blue sage, lavender haze, coffee brown, black velvet, dark green, and moon milk. Here is some really nice lace that could be a border or decoration on the front of a journal. So pretty. Midnight Garden Botanical Sticker Pack. Ooh, they are like a cardstock sticker. Such detail. Gorgeous. They have little gems. I love the colors. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love those. Oh, I missed a couple. And we have vintage lace doily paper pack. Such pretty envelopes. This one has a pattern on it. Looks like they all have pretty patterns. I love those. Ooh, look at that red one. So pretty. So it looks like there's circles in different sizes here. Such pretty papers. Really gorgeous. Ooh, look at those. Wow, gorgeous. Let's put them on the blue so you can see them better. Wow. So intricate and beautiful. This one has tiny butterflies. Wow, these are just absolutely gorgeous. And this says Delicate Botanical Die-Cut Paper Pack. Delicate, I'll say. Wow, very delicate. They are gorgeous. Ooh, that's really cool. A really pretty leaf. Wow. I love these. And they always put a magnetic bookmark, which I love. This one is with the tea theme. It's a teapot. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. And we have die-cut stickers, forest floor leaves. Of course, course, we have to take them out to get a good look. Looks like there's 2 of each. Really pretty. Wow. Absolutely stunning. They are stunning. Look at all those. Such a great variety of leaves. These will really be beautiful. I'm collaborating with Grabie this year. Each month they send the Scrapbook Club box, and I love them. If you use the links that are in the description to purchase, then I receive a commission. And you can also use the discount Emilee 15 for a discount on your purchases. The Enchanted Tea House die cut stickers. Oh wow, these are really, really cool. There's mushrooms and clocks. These kind of would go with an Alice in Wonderland type of theme. Wow, look at that red bow. That's so cute. It's a little wooden sign. Some owls having tea. Wow, such a eclectic mix here. There's a little rabbit having his tea. Beautiful bow. Teacup. A lock. Oh, look at this stack of teacups. That's so cool. Really pretty. Oh, I love that key. Teapot. Heart. There's the bear having his tea. A nice table and a tree stump table. Another sign. Ooh, that chair is cool. Very cool. Mushrooms. A flower. Wow, there's so many. A couch. Some keys. A candelabra. Candlestick. A cake. Another stump. Pretty teapot. Another, it's a cake plate, I think. A stump. Ooh, look at that mushroom. Teapot, teacups, clock. Wow, those are amazing die cuts. And they are stickers. I'm glad I took them out because there's way more in there than what it looked like. Amazing selection. And let's see what else is here. We have some vintage sticker paper. You stamp on it, you color, and then you can cut it out to create a sticker. And there are 15 sheets in here. These sheets are about 8 by 10. Ooh, they're really nice. Really cool. Sticker paper, that's cool. 3 sheets of each. Ooh, that red is stunning. Nice white. Green. Really pretty. And cream. And to go with the sticker paper and the ink pads and the colored pencils, they've included the Woodland Tea Party vintage stamp set. Tomorrow for Stamp With Us, we will stamp with these stamps. Let's take a look. A frame here that's really, really cute. These are wood-mounted stamps. with some nice white rubber that has a nice foam padding. Look at this eclectic tree. These are fun. I can't wait to stamp with these tomorrow. They're going to be really fun. Really nice teacup, teapot. What is this? I am not sure what that character is. It's a bear or something. These are going to be a blast to stamp with. Come back tomorrow for Stamp with Us, and we will test these stamps out. I love the theming of this kit. Thank you so much, Grabie, for another wonderful scrapbook club box this month. Keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting.